greatest rogues of all time.
Great evening, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw Pyrus Helix Dragonoid.
I'll be the Joker of crime.
Cannot forget about his battle gear.
Make it double.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evil.
Here we go. We got his battle gear jet core
Stars above.
Jesse.
equipped and ready.
Change.
Now,
Rocket blossom in the
shall we start drawing? Yes. First off, we start off with the upper half.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double. We're Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong. For mayhem and madness and rare Pokemon.
I'm so gorgeous.
I'm always the man.
You're just the players in my master plan.
We're gonna capture Pikachu. We're always gonna try it. No one can deny it. We can cause a riot and Sunday. A riot? We'll have you believe it. Truth can be deceiving.
To one to others is our goal.
Here's the perfect core in his chest.
This is our most ingenious plan ever, if I do say so myself.
Even we couldn't screw this one up, Jesse.
Would you two stop yapping? Here they come!
Prepare for trouble! Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, talking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, talking trouble, double trouble, big trouble, capture Pikachu. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble. Big trouble's gonna follow. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble, capture Pikachu. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble,
Big trouble.
Team Rocket's rockin'.
It's our Team Rocket's boosting up again. Go, go.
Here's his hand.
So you want to be a Pokemon master?
I got to be the one, the only one who can withstand the test and be the best. Got to strive, keep up the drive, be a master. It takes a certain kind of skill, and I won't stop until 150 Pokemon are mine. I must define the art of capture. To be a master, Pokemon master, I will be writing a brand new chapter. Pokemon go, go, all the children sing. Na 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 na. Hey. Yeah. It's all about the evolution of the Pokemon. Na 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 na. Pokemon go, go. Got my badges and my Pokeball. Ha. Got my buddy pretty Pikachu to help me try to catch 'em all. Yo, it's all about the evolution of the Pokemon. The training, attaining, and be a part of the phenomenon. Be a Pokemonster icon. Ha, Team Rocket will be long gone. But first you gotta know about the different types. Grass, fire, ground, flame, electric, water, rock, flying ice. Normal bug, ghost, fighting, and dragon. Don't forget about psychic. To be a master, Pokemon master. I will be writing a brand new chapter, a brand new chapter. To be a master, Pokemon master. And I will be striving to be the greatest master. Pokemon go, go. All the children sing. Like I said before, it's all about the evolution of the Pokemon.
Alright, here's his claws. We're almost done.
Now you've reached the plateau, but not yet a hero.
Alright, now let's,
To defeat,
here's his hand. Now then,
expect survival against your rival.
here's his thumb.
Gotta catch 'em all. Show me what you've got.
There. Now we draw the wings. There's the wings. Here's the tail. And finished. Complete. That is how you draw a helix dragonoid. Here's what it looks like in its open form.
Get your teen a pair of cool headphones.
Mission
or
complete.
The chance to own stock in a record label. Open up
I'm
the
proud I
Dragonoid
got
account
to
and
draw
whip
this
out
character.
$50 for your
That's
teen
all for
to
now.
spend,
Please like and
save,
walk and
or
subscribe to my
invest.
channel.
Plus,
Stegosaurus,
they
see
get
you
their own
later.
debit card. Limited time